Right.
Plus this folic acid reduces dead in shell. Calculus, calcium. Probosine, probiotic, helps the gut. Digestion. Biotin, magic, horse product, gut enhancer, plus minerals. Versalaga, Nutribird, complete food supplement.
That's the B18.
B8. Versalaga, Fertivit, vitamin E, fertility. Thrive, settles the stomach, 98% high ash content, takes the place of charcoal and other products. Reed Max, canary food, supplement. Pink powder, horse product, gut enhancer.
Seems to be a lot of products for stomachs.
Yes.
Yes.
Fish meal, extra protein. Chick crumbs with medication, 30% protein.
Starter crumbs.
Starter crumbs includes medication for yolk sac disease and coccidiosis
And a general antibiotic.
and a general antibiotic. Spirulina, seaweed.
That's for the prevention of French malt. Garlic powder.
American garlic powder,
American garlic powder.
horse powder,
Right.
clove, powdered supplement, high in cod liver oil,
That to help with eggs.
reduces egg binding.
Right.
Hedgerow herbs, Dobson and Hollow, herbs that grow natural in the wild. Mint,
Chopped mint.
NAF, 28% protein,
For feather growth.
enhances feather growth. Most of those products in there have added vitamins and minerals that enhances the overall performance of the birds in general. The gut alliance powders are to just make sure that the stomachs work properly, and it enables the birds to digest all the proteins that we need them to digest.
And just the vegetables then.
Yeah?
Go.
Vegetables. Broccoli.
With just a fine grater.
Apple.
Right, you're back on.
Not too coarse. Cress. No chemicals, no pesticides, no herbicides. Sweet corn. Supermarket sweet corn, cheap sweet corn, tin sweet corn in water, 4 tins. I'm going to mix it when it's right?
Yeah.
Sweet corn and cress all mixed up so it's fine, light and airy, firm but not wet. Birds prefer it that way. Most important, all these supplements that go in this soft food, what you have to remember and is a must, if your protein level starts at 30%, for every extra vegetable you add to that, whether it be 8 vegetables or 10, it reduces the protein level by 1% each vegetable. So if the protein level is 30% and you put 10 vegetables in, you are then reducing the protein level to 20%. A lot of people don't know that. It's a big mistake that a lot of people make. The modern budgerigar needs a very high energy protein diet to survive and breed the quantity of young birds that we breed.
Right.